Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have an absolutely gorgeous day in store for us as high pressure has moved over the area and will control our weather for today. We do have some precipitation that will work its way in by later tomorrow, but for today, looking at probably the nicest day of the week as temperatures will warm into the low 60s under abundant sunshine. I want to take a quick look at our live cam here on the south part of Wallops Island this morning, and you can see those beautiful conditions for yourself. Clear skies and just a gorgeous morning shaping up for us so far today. I want to take a look here at our infrared satellite. You can confirm those clear skies here with the satellite not showing really anything in the way of cloudiness, just some very thin upper level cirrus cloudiness at around 25,000 feet. But for the most part, you're going to see mostly clear skies continue throughout the remainder of today. Current surface analysis shows that surface high pressure centered just off the coast, and we're going to see a southerly flow wrapping around that high, providing us with those warmer conditions today, with those high temperatures warming into the low 60s. Upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release showing the southerly flow at the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to about 6,000 feet, and then we see a westerly component take over. But throughout the column here for the first 25,000 feet in altitude, you can see fairly light winds with the max wind at the 16,000 foot level at 28 knots. That freezing level this morning was at 9,600 feet. Taking a look here at our model and what we can expect over the next couple of days as we scroll through time here for today, you're going to see really nothing showing up on the model as far as precipitation across the mid-Atlantic region, as that high pressure really keeps things dry. But as we go into the nighttime hours, this is early Wednesday morning, you can start to see some of the precipitation showing up with the next system moving towards the western part of the state by tomorrow morning, seeing some of that rainfall. But for us, it looks like we'll stay dry through tomorrow morning and then see the chances for precipitation pick up across the Delmarva by tomorrow afternoon. So by 2 o'clock, could see a stray shower or two ahead of this system, and could see some thunderstorm potential as well by Wednesday late afternoon into the evening hours as we start to see a little bit of instability working its way into the region. So best chance of rain out of this system will be Wednesday night, overnight into the wee hours of the morning on Thursday. And as you can see, some higher reflectivity showing up, higher rainfall rates in the central portion of the Delmarva by Wednesday night. As we go into the day on Thursday, you're going to see the precipitation begin to start to exit the region by the mid-morning hours of Thursday, and by late morning should see most of the precipitation out of our area. Could see a lingering shower or two around the noontime, but we'll see those winds turn northwesterly in direction and really start to cool off as well, with those winds picking up and bringing in a cold air mass into the region by Thursday afternoon. So our best chances for embedded thunderstorms will be Wednesday night, and then as that cold air mass starts to make its way into the area by Thursday morning, we'll see that thunderstorm potential come to a quick end during the morning hours of Thursday. For the remainder of Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions, breezy conditions as well, likely seeing a wind advisory by Thursday afternoon. And on into Friday, we'll see those chilly conditions really continuing across the area. And as you can see here, this is Friday morning, starting to see maybe some indication of a few flurries possible across the area Friday morning. Not expecting anything significant, but as the base of that upper level trough moves through the area Friday morning, could see a few snow flurries, and certainly we'll see mostly cloudy conditions as that system moves off the coast. For the weekend, expect gorgeous conditions, a little cool, especially Saturday morning, but we should see some warming temperatures for the daytime on Saturday, and especially into Easter Sunday, where we will see some warm conditions throughout the Delmarva, with temperatures possibly back into the 60s on Sunday. So taking a look here at our next 24 hours, you're going to see really no hazards to speak of across the area. as we go through the next 24 hours, we'll see a little bit of an increase in cloudiness Tuesday evening and some breezy conditions during the afternoon, but those winds should stay under 25 knots with winds maxing out probably around 20 knots out of the south during the afternoon hours today. Temperature should max out around 62 degrees for this afternoon, and then overnight tonight, really seeing temperatures holding up quite nicely with those southerly breezes continuing at around 8 to 13 knots. So should see a low temperature this evening right around 51 degrees. For the next 7 days, we're looking at warm temperatures for the next couple of days ahead of that frontal boundary that will be moving through late Wednesday night, seeing a high of 67 degrees with PM showers and thunderstorms Wednesday evening. A very likely chance of some rainfall during that time frame, 80% with those showers and possible thunderstorms Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Showers and thunderstorms should come to an end fairly quickly during the morning hours of Thursday, and we'll be left with mostly cloudy and breezy conditions for the remainder of the day. Temperatures only maxing out at 48 degrees on Thursday, and could actually see those temperatures falling during the afternoon. For Friday, we'll see mostly cloudy and chilly conditions, a morning low of 31 degrees and a high of 52. And then some warming temperatures for the weekend. We'll see a pretty chilly morning on Saturday with clear and calm conditions. Looking for a low right around 30 degrees. Could see our last freeze of the year Friday night into Saturday morning as we see those temperatures warm back up by the end of the weekend and the first part of next week. Seeing highs in the mid-60s on Sunday, and again on the beginning of next week, expecting those temperatures to remain quite mild in the mid-60s. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.